Hi friends, myself Premon and Play. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I will show you how to install a Hindi font on your post PC. For that, you must connect your PC to an reliable internet source. Then type Kruti 010 font download DBN. Then go to the site and download. You can download that. Okay, after downloading that, I just downloaded the file. I will show you. You can see here my file is downloaded here, and then just double click on the file and just click on install. The Kruti Dev font will be installed, and I will show you how to type Hindi in a document. Okay, I just created a new document. Double clicking on that, I'm just going to English and then I will type Hindi phonetic. You can also use Hindi typewriter if you are um, you know the button for specialized typing. Then you must click on typewriter. I actually using phonetic because I will type the phonetical language and it will type in Hindi. I'm just typing my brother's name, that is Ram. So it is coming. So because of the caps lock is on, now I will show you MOHA. You can see here Ram Mohan. It is coming clearly. I just type the English and it is just coming in Hindi. That means our installation is successful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.